Welcome to our video about creating a beautiful flower garden. Today we will be talking you through step by step on how to create a magnificent flowers garden that will bring life and color to your outdoor space. Let's get started. Choose your flowers. The first step in creating a beautiful flower garden is choosing the right flower. Consider factors like the climate and your area, the amount of sunlight and shade in your garden, and the soil type. Some popular flowers that work well in most gardens include roses, daisies, lilies, and tulips. Design your garden. The second step is to design your garden. Consider the size and shape of your garden and how you want to flowers to be arranged. You can choose to plant your flowers in rows, clusters, or in a specific pattern. Don't forget to also add some decorative elements such as garden statues, bird feeders, or water fountains. Prepare your garden beds. The third step is to prepare your garden beds. This involves removing any weeds, rocks, or debris from the area where you want to plant your flowers. You can then till the soil to loosen it up and add compost to enrich the soil. Plant your flowers. The fourth step is to plant your flowers. Make sure to follow the instructions on the seeds packets or plant stakes for the specific flowers you have chosen. You should also water your plants thoroughly after planting them. Care for your flowers. This tip is to care for your flowers. This involves regularly watering them, fertilizing them, and pruning them as necessary. You should also keep an eye out of any pests or disease that could harm your plants and take action to prevent or treat them. Choose a color scheme. Decide on a color scheme for your garden to create a cohesive and harmonious look. You can choose colors that complement each other or go for a more contrasting look for a bolder effect. Add variety. Mix different types of flowers to add depth and texture to your garden. You can also include different types of plants like shrubs, trees, and vines to create a desired and interesting landscape. Consider the seasons. Choose flowers that bloom at different times of the year to keep your garden looking beautiful all year round. You can also include seasonal plants like pumpkins, gourds in the fall, and poinsettias in the winter. Create a focal point. Add a focal point to your garden, such as a trellis, arbor, or statue, to draw the eye and create a visual centerpiece. Use containers. If you don't have a lot of space, you can still enjoy a beautiful flower garden by using containers. You can choose from a variety of containers, including pots, urns, and hanging baskets, and fill them with your favorite flowers. Be mindful of maintenance. Make sure to choose flowers that are easy to maintain and won't require too much attention. You don't want to create a garden that becomes a burden to care for.